I see it. Oh my gosh, Scotty! He's taking it. Oh, jeez, dude. Scott. Man, you're horrible. And there's Amos barking away. Oh, I know where the frisbee is. I know where the frisbee is. It's mine. Millie. Wait. Where did it land? Oh, it didn't roll. I obviously didn't whip it hard enough. Good boy, Scott. Okay, you guys want to go for a fun run? Let's go.